Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by collecting the exact page URL, the violation notice ID, and screenshots showing the issue. This prevents delays. Once done, log into the account that manages the page and open Support Inbox or Policy Account Quality. Make sure to download or copy the policy excerpt referenced. Then prepare a short, factual statement of 150-250 words explaining why the content or action complies, and attach your ID and business proof for verification. You now move into the core process. Submit the appeal with all evidence. Open the specific violation entry, choose Request Review, and upload your one government ID, one business document, and the 3 screenshots you saved. Once uploaded, paste the concise explanation and reference exact timestamps and policy language. This helps reviewers match evidence to rules. Make sure to pick the correct policy category from the dropdown. After submission, note the case ID and expect response windows of 24-72 hours or longer. You finish by actively monitoring responses and preparing follow-ups. Once a decision arrives, review the rationale. If granted, confirm restored access and update page policies. If denied, revise your evidence set, add clearer timestamps, and resubmit or escalate through Business Help Center within the appeal window. Make sure to try an alternate verified admin account if available. Troubleshooting tip: if appeals repeatedly fail, document each denial and consider a legal or trademark notice only when content is critical. This forces formal review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.